Hello and welcome. Today we will be learning about Lucene and we'll be running one of the code snippets for Lucene and seeing how the code performs. So just a brief introduction about what Lucene is. Lucene is a indexing or search based engine, and since it's highly scalable and it's really fast, its inbuilt nature with Java helps in indexing and searching documents or text documents very efficiently. So, for basically for the tutorial point of view, we went to Lucene tutorialspoint.com, and here is the Lucene document, and we will be referring this document back and forth to see how we can develop the code. So for this, the application works in this simple way where we have raw content and where we start building the document and then analyzing, then indexing, using interface for search, and then finally we go on to build query and then search query and then render the results. So this is the roadmap for how this process actually works. Next of all is the environment setup. So if you need to set up Lucene environment, then you need to go to the you need to first set up Eclipse, and we have it all set up. We have it all set up in here, but for that, you need to first download the Lucene directory, and you can go to Apache or distribution Lucene Java and download 3.6.2 version of it, and you can download the zip file and then extract from that. And once you go here, you need to create a new Java project. I've already created this one for the project run. So what I'll do is, what I've done is, I've first created Lucene first app, and then I've created a package within it by the name of com.ashish.lucene. Within that, I've created 5 classes that will be going through in right now. So then I used this uh, external jars for Lucene. This is 3.6.2 jar. So you can add this external jar from wherever you have stored your extracted your Lucene that we downloaded. So once you have added in the build path, make sure that you have your JDK 1.7 running, because that is the one that is compatible with the Cloudera. So you need to make sure that it is in sync, otherwise your code will mess up. So so the first thing is what we do is we create index. We did not create index. We created Lucene constants first. So this is the first Java class that we created, and then we created indexer text file filter Java class. So this is what it's doing. It's basically filtering with .txt documents, and since we have our data here, which has all the documents in the form of .txt, so let's see what this is. This is Mohan Jan 1990. So this is the doc 4 which has txt. So all the documents are txt. So first all the documents will be uploaded, and then we'll be indexing, and this is the indexer trying to index the documents that we have, and if it is checking for if is directory is hidden, if it exists, if it can be read, and then it's indexing that file. So searcher is what it's doing is it's trying to search for one of the directory path, and since all these classes will be imported in one, so we are trying to search for Mohan. So Mohan, as we just saw right now, it was in text record 4, so it should be showing it in the 4th file. So it is showing us here. So what you can do is you can go to the Lucene, go to run as Java application, and it says that it's in 4th record. If you want some other record to be tested here, then what we can do is simply go here and see Sohan. So let's say we have in 5th record we have Sohan. So let's go here, put Sohan, and let's try and Let's save this project, run as Java application, and it says here record 5. So more or less we have been able to study how the Lucene works. So this is it, the way in which we run Lucene. Thank you.